Start by looking at this night market surveillance. A group of hungry, wild pigs are having a party in the woods, and our protagonist, Lao Mo, hidden in this tire fortress right now, quietly observing everything. It's like telling a wild boar to wait until my house is built. You are my backup granary. At dawn, Old Mo picked up a log thicker than his waist, began today's infrastructure task. Put the wood on the ground. So this is the foundation stone. He first cleared the fallen leaves from the wood with branches. Move in one go, not the slightest sloppiness. Then take his treasure bag and sapper shovel from the tree. Start clearing the ground of fallen leaves. Prepare for subsequent construction. As the saying goes, the foundation is not strong. Earth shaking, mountain shaking. Old Mo Shan-an said this way. A rotating shovel is a crazy output. Ere, wiggle. Lao Mo took out the ancestral folding. It's an onslaught against this big log. The treated wood was thrown away by him, rolled to the predetermined position under the tree. Busy for a long time, Old Mo sat on the stump and wiped his sweat. Thinking about it, the efficiency is still a bit slow. He picked up a discarded glass bottle from the ground. Seems to have a new idea. If you want to get rich, you must first roll a tree. To work fast, the car has to be handsome. Like my friend Agua bought a Tesla in a used car. It only cost $99,000. There are thousands of melon seeds recently. New energy sources for individuals and wholesalers. Same car condition. Save $10,000 by secondhand new energy. Agua recommends melon seeds. Melon seeds, secondhand new energy. Source, work, saves money. Break, over. Old Mo began his deluded behavior again. He taped the shovel and the bottle together. What the hell is this for? I saw him holding this homemade god. Device, too, boundless. Throwing a chess into the water turned out to be a draw. Primera, ave, tu. Lazy people are the driving force. The advanced doctor, after returning to the water, he spread plastic sheets on the ground. Pour on the soil you dug before and start mixing with the mud. This technique looks like a professional mason, but the good mud is packed and wet with your feet, easy to transport. Then he took the package of building materials, and various materials are transported to the construction site. Everything is ready. Lao Mo officially started building his shelter. He used chunks of wood as a foundation. We're building a platform in the open space, and then you fill the gaps with mashed clay. Lay down the planks. Add the platform step by step. The foundation is laid. Start building walls. He built it out of wood and mud. Make a round walnut. It's a bit chic. Then he stacked the logs one by one in the circle. Around the structure, formed the skeleton of the house. Then the stroke of God appeared. He got a used tire out of nowhere. Put money on the wall. The temperament of the house immediately came up. From primitive tribal wind to postmodern industrial wind. This tier. It is both a window and a liao wangku. Lao Mo continues to add bricks and mortar. Wood is stacked on the structure. Make the wall thicker. Looking in through the tire window, you can see him inside, carefully grooming his pastures. Mainly one internal and external. The timbers on the outside are also increasing the encryption. The outline of the whole building is getting clearer and clearer. He also used it carefully. Small wooden blocks fill the gaps between the logs. Make sure the walls are airtight. Well done. Florem. Well done. Start caping. Lao Mo climbed up the tree trunk, fastened the thick branches to the bottom of the house, and they frame the roof. And he pulls out the rope that he's prepared. After cutting with a knife, start tying on the roof frame. He wound the rope round and round. They form a very strong net. Lay the foundation for the subsequent laying of roofing materials. Main structure completed. Next up is the exterior decoration. Old Mo came to the weeds. Cut down a large amount of thatch with a knife. Sun. Lao Mo returned to the hut with the cut thatch. Cover it on roofs and walls as a natural waterproof and thermal insulation layer. Nightfall. After a busy day, Lao Mo can finally rest. He spread his sleeping bag in the cabin and fell asleep peacefully. And the boars are back. But this time, they can only hover at a safe distance. Can't get close to the impregnable fortress. The next day, Lao Mo put away his sleeping bag, continuing his renovation career. He decorated the roof with branches and white flowers, adds a touch of romance to the hardcore architecture. Information. And then he pulled out his nuclear mud digger, spread dirt on the slats of the roof. Reinforcement and sealing. He smeared the mud carefully with his hands. Every crack. These hands stained with dirt are his most reliable tool. Even the ants on the roof seems to minimize the engineering quality. The tail. Pinch dead. In order to pursue the ultimate camouflage and waterproofing, Old Mo found a lot of bark again, ready to put a layer of natural armor on the hut. He carefully pasted pieces of bark on the roof. Up. This process literally treats nature like a puzzle. Exterior decoration comes to an end. Old Mo began to enter the room. He threw a piece of wood into the house. Prepare to make furniture. I saw him splitting the wood in half inside the house. Find a few more branches. Use wood as a hammer. Clanging and banging. A simple stool to travel with. He put many small branches again, interspersed with the skeleton of the stool. Increase stability and comfort. Purely handmade original Mafang furniture. Get the furniture done. Old Mo climbed out of the window again. Take a lot of straw out of the bag. Rub it and throw it into the house. Prepare to make a warm bed. The golden nest and the silver nest are not as good as their own grass nest. With this thick bed of straw, sleep better than Zamung Temple in a 5-star hotel. Next is the time for technology and hard work. Lao Mo starts building the indoor core heating system. A purely handmade clay mouth. He made the base of the oven out of the mashed mud. And being alone. This approach is professional. It's like whether the noodles of New Oriental are being framed. Flour cake. He mixed the mud with straw dipped in water. Keep the connection between the oven and the chimney tight. Strictly, this is called a pursuit of excellence. And finally, he also used the leftover material to repair the roof. The last oracle bone. Make sure it's foolproof. Jore. Donne. Old Mo sits on the stool of the constellation. Prepare to light the first fire for your new home. He pulls out the maquias. Set fire to the branches. Carefully placed in the furnace, the flames are burning. He splits the wood again. Keep adding fuel to the fire. Looking at the blazing fire. Lao Mo stretched out his hands to keep warm. A satisfied smile appeared on his face. This warmth dispels all fatigue. It's freezing outside. The house is warm as spring. This is the miracle he created with his hands. Settling down should solve the problem of food and clothing. Old Mo spread his sleeping bag on the stool. Prepare to treat yourself to a feast. Who says the wilderness can only eat soil? My brother will give you the whole talent today. He takes out the bread first, put it in the oven, and bake until golden on both sides. Then he threw a chunky steak in and ate it. Bake. And listen to this sizzling sound. Simply the most beautiful symphony in the wilderness. To increase firepower. He also uses a manual blower. It's a blast against the fire. The cutlets in the stove are burnt on the outside and tender on the inside. The aroma overflows. Between barbecues, Lao Mo didn't forget to take out his mobile phone to see the meat is roasted. He started assembling hamburgers with fresh tomato slices. Cover with the fresh out of the oven steak. And finally, some sole onion rings. A pure natural without additives. And that's it. Take abit. That satisfied expression. It's like owning the whole world. Hit and drink. He lay down to rest, enjoying this hard-won and comfortable life. Kotash. Fireplace. the delicious food, and the wild boar seat outside the window. The immortals are envious when they see it these little days. It's late at night. Laomo continues to add wood to the fire. It keeps the house warm. He's going to start showing off his new invention with machetes and cardboard. Create a simple natural fuel model. Pour the waste oil in. A long-lasting fuel stove is ready. This brain is so good. The next day, to enhance the outdoor cooking experience, Old Mo has found a new partner. He found a stout wooden stake. Drill on it with a manual drill press. This drill is turning and it's smoking. Old Mo is not fast enough. Just pick up the stick and hit it with a hammer. Mainly focus on one Li Doshun concubine. After a few holes are opened, a simple Swedish wood stove was born. He stuffed fireflies into the holes. After igniting, he takes out his hand blower and blows it into the wind. The flames instantly shot up the old thing. Concentrated firepower is not a waste. It's an outdoor cooking artifact. He set up the pot on the new stove, pour in water and jade food packets. It's boiling soon. But this is just an appetizer. The real feast is yet to come. He takes out another piece of meat, cut into small pieces. Hit tepan. Pour in the meat cubes and stir fry. Fried until golden. Add garlic slices and saute until fragrant. During this period, continue to use the sewing machine to increase the pot and embroidered a beautiful bump technique. Heat the meat evenly. The meat is fried until golden and crispy. The garlic flavor is also completely aroused. The cooked rice on the other side is ready, poured with soy sauce, and then you put the garlic on top. Finally, sprinkle a handful of fresh cilantro spouts. This look, the Michelin restaurant made me cry. Lao Mo. Can't wait to start enjoying this delicious dish. At night, he returns to the warm hut. Not necessarily like firewood in the sky. Light a homemade oil lamp, sitting on a sleeping bag, eating the food on the plate, looking at the flickering candle. The tiredness of the day is gone. He lay down on the mountain, quietly enjoying this peace and contentment. From a barren place to a cozy cottage, the man proves it with both hands. As long as you have a dream in your heart, Maldives is everywhere. Melon seeds, second-hand new energy. Source construction saves money